Hey, what's up everybody? It's Gwen and welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I install my protective styles. So no matter what protective style I'm doing, this is the routine that I do as far as the products I'm using. So if you're interested in seeing that process, this is the video for you. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Also be sure to turn on all your notifications and let me know in the comments section which protective styles you like. All right, let's get started. I'm starting off on freshly washed hair. I'll link my most recent wash day routine on your screen. I start by creating my parts in my hair. First, to moisturize my scalp, I use tea tree oil and sweet almond oil. The tea tree oil is going to help prevent itchy scalp, and the sweet almond oil is a carrier oil, so it's just going to dilute the tea tree oil so that it's safe to use on my scalp. So for moisturizing, I use the LCO or liquid cream oil method. For this, I use water as my liquid, the Kinky Curly Not Today leave-in conditioner as my cream, and olive oil for my oil. And then also to my ends, I like to add Jamaican black castor oil. So first I'm going to just apply the LCO ingredients on my hair. Next, I create a flat twist. Once I get to the ends, I like to apply some more water and then my Jamaican black castor oil. So now I'm just going to repeat these steps on the rest of my hair. Once the style I want is complete, I just cover it with a large satin scarf and let it set overnight. All right, hey, what's up everybody? It's the next day. So this is what I was left with. As you can see, my hair held up pretty well overnight, and you know, my scarf didn't fall off or anything like that. So this turned out really well as far as, you know, how it lasted throughout the night. So I'll just do a quick turn so you can see how the back looks. Yeah, my hair is really uneven, so if that bothers you, sorry, but I'm still growing my hair out. And so yeah, this is the look that I ended up with. I really like it. This is the first time I've ever done my hair like this, in this style. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Also be sure to turn on all your notifications and let me know in the comments section what protective styles you like. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.